Ever wonder how thousands of wildebeest can cross the Serengeti without colliding? It's a fascinating display of collective behavior, and it's more complex than you might think. Today, we'll explore the science behind herd movement, uncovering the simple rules that govern these massive migrations and why they're effective. Understanding this can reveal surprising insights into everything from bird flocks to human crowds. The core principle is local interaction. Each animal isn't following a leader, instead, it's reacting to its immediate neighbors. Think of it this: an individual wildebeest adjusts its speed and direction based on the 5 animals closest to it. This creates a ripple effect, propagating movement across the entire herd. It's a decentralized system, remarkably resilient to disruptions. This local interaction leads to something called alignment. Animals tend to move in roughly the same direction, creating a cohesive flow. However, it's not perfect synchronization. There's a constant, subtle jostling and readjustment, preventing the herd from becoming a rigid, easily breakable line. This dynamic fluidity is key to their survival. Surprisingly, herds don't always move in the most efficient straight line. They often exhibit meandering patterns, seemingly random at first glance. This is because the constant adjustments to avoid collisions and maintain spacing optimize the group's ability to navigate unpredictable terrain and detect predators. We'll delve into how this meandering impacts their foraging strategies in our next video. But why is this system successful? Because it's robust. If one animal gets spooked or changes direction, it doesn't throw the entire herd into chaos. The local interactions quickly absorb the change, maintaining overall cohesion. It's a beautiful example of emergent behavior, complex patterns arising from simple rules. So, to recap, herd movement isn't about a single leader, but about countless individual animals reacting to their neighbors, creating alignment and resilience through local interaction. This decentralized system allows massive groups to navigate complex environments and evade danger. If you found this exploration of herd dynamics fascinating, give this video a and let's know what other natural phenomena you'd us to investigate in the comments below. For more mind-blowing science,